So hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Devjani Banerjee.
And where do you stay?
We stay nearby at Shere Punjab, this locality itself, Andheri East.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 3 months and 3 years and 2 months.
Okay. So what kind of activities were you looking out for your child?
As a preschool, we were looking for a place where they would give us like the child can develop the skills, gross and fine motor skills, and even numericals, alphabetical, and basically where they would take personal care of the children. They would give like one-to-one attention basically, where the teacher to student ratio is not a very high number, where the children are not in a very huge proportion, and the teachers can give individual attention based on, because every child is different and their like needs are different.
Right.
So like one child can grasp something at a very earlier stage, whereas another child can take a little more longer time.
Right.
So depending on that, where they give that individual attention and they take into consideration all these factors, and then they like basically personalize their teaching skills.
Right.
So
right.
We were basically looking out for that.
Okay. And so what are the options you considered for the same?
Couple of very good like preschools are here.
Okay.
Should I name them?
No, that's okay. So why did you choose junior craftings over the other options that you had?
The thing is, my child has been staying here since the time she turned 1, because this is also a daycare center. They also run Ruchi madam and Ritu madam. They also run a daycare center here, and she has been here since the time she turned 1.
Right.
So we know them very well, and even they know, and even the teachers who are there, they have been seeing Brishti from the time that my child, since the time she turned 1. So they were pretty, and my child was also very acquainted with all of them.
Okay.
And I was actually very confident that they would be like the school would also be professionally run, because I have seen their daycare center and I am actually very impressed. That is why my child is still here.
Okay.
The past 2 years she has been here. So that is why I considered this as a preschool.
Okay. With your experience, could you highlight 2 good things about junior crafting?
The school?
Yes.
They have many different kind of activities which they like where the children are involved, and they also organize many like depending on the cultural background and all, taking into consideration all of that. They have like many festivals, and so they have Holi, they celebrate, and even they have grandparents' day and all. So
Okay.
that is very good and encouraging. And
Okay.
my child has actually learnt a lot after coming to the school. She has grasped a lot her numbers and letters, recognition of numbers, like recognition of letters, and even words that she can form, and even she can use cubes and form a particular word with those. So I'm actually impressed with all of that.
Okay. Would you also have some suggestion for junior crafting?
The school space is a little restricted, I feel, and that they can expand. That can be one suggestion.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend junior craftings to other parents, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
I would give a 4 to them, 3.5 to 4.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.